So this is the wholesale Shopify theme that I created for the B2B customer. So you just need to purchase this theme and install on your Shopify store the basic Shopify account that you need for this theme, and from that you can see that the prices are hidden and only approved user can purchase this. And also I did the quick order form in this, so you can see that pricing are hidden. If I click on the collection, they can view the collection that you are selling, but they can't purchase it. So let me show you the working. So if I click on this and click on sign in, so I created the test user for you, and now I can open the quick order and I can see the pricing. So if I add the product into the cart, you can see the minimum order that you can also set for the customer so that they can purchase a higher volume from your store. So if I increase the, then I can see the checkout button. So this is the working. If you want to purchase this theme, just check the description. I added the link in the description, as well I pinned the comment. From that you can just check the demo as well. You can purchase this theme. Just after purchasing, you just need to upload on your Shopify basic plan and it will work. So if I log out, you just click on buy link and then purchase this theme. Thank you.